Good evening, Facebook. We are 1 week and 1 day out from Valentine's Day, and I am Lindsay Maldonado, and I'm coming to you live from my office to share with you some awesome things new and awesome things on sale just in time for Valentine's Day to make your Valentine's Day great. So I'm coming to you all natural in your normal Tuesday night get up, and that it's Euphoria pajamas and no makeup, no hair done. This is just ready to go. And this is how you get to work when you're a pure romance consultant. 90% of the time, I actually only really put on my makeup and get dressed like an adult human being on my party nights. So it's really fun. It's really awesome when I get to go do that, and I look forward to that. On average, I do it 3 nights a week. So what I'm here to talk to you guys about is this awesome box behind me. And I'm going to show you all the goodies in it and what you can get for yourself. So you could choose to treat yourself to this for Valentine's Day, or to use that. I know a lot of people are getting their income tax checks here already starting in the next couple weeks if they filed right away at the end of January, and in the coming weeks for the next couple months. So why not take that money you're going to get back and invest in yourself to make some more money all year long? So give me a thumbs up if you'd like to make more money. Give me a $sign or like an emoji with dollars in it, or that money bag or the cash money. If you have at least $1,000 in debt you'd like to pay off in the next year, by the end of 2018, you have at least $1,000 in debt you would love to pay off, post below. Hey, Kristen. Hey, Jillian. Hey, Christy. Hey, Katarina. Hey, Glenn. Hey, Candace or Maggot, whoever's logged into the account. Hey, Bria. Hey, Lisa. Hey, Vinny. Hey, Sammy. Hey, Aaron. Hey, Jessica. Hey, Amanda. Hey, Christy. So, pure romance could definitely be the way that you do that. We're in love season, Valentine's season, but honestly, it's always love season because we help educate, empower, and entertain women all year long, not just during Valentine's season. So yes, people think about us more at this time of year, but we're out doing parties, out making money, out doing amazing things, keeping single ladies safe and married women married all year long. So let's start with what comes in the box. So first off, it comes in this gray box behind me that says believe in yourself and all other kinds of awesome stuff on it. And if you are digging my PJs and you've not seen these at a party, everybody needs a pair. They are Euphoria. Excuse, my husband doesn't know how to follow the directions to wash them. This is the Soul set, and the shorts have little pockets in them, and the Soul set, these are on sale right now. Normally it's like $168 for the set. So you can get this V-neck set right now, this week only. You have to order by Thursday for $138, which is an awesome deal because normally it's $168. Or you can get the Gaia, which is the camisole and the shorts with no pockets, and that is $120 for the set. Normally these are sold separately. They're bamboo. They feel incredible. They're moisture wicking. They're cool to the touch. They feel incredible. They're light pink and it's sheer. So, still sexy. They can see everything through it. I have on a bra so you guys can't see all the goodies, but, it's really awesome. So it feels incredible. And if you wear clothes and it makes you sweat, you won't have that issue with these pajamas. So they're really nice. You will love them. So, all right. Who wants to see what's in the pink box? So if you get the gray box, you get that pink box that says Pure Romance. Not all those boxes. The pink box with the handle. So it's your party on the go. You're ready to go. The tan box comes in the mail. So who wants to see what's in the box? Post below. Open the box. Show me some love, some hearts if you want me to open the box. You guys want to see what's in the box? Post below if you want to see what's in the box. Hi, Daniel. Hey, Lauren. Hey, Bridget. Hey, Phaedra. Looking forward to seeing you, Lauren, for 50 Shades on Thursday night. Hey, Melvin. Hey, Katie. Hey, Julie. Hey, Brittany. Hey, Nikki. So if you want to see what's in the box, I need some hearts. I need some love. Show me some love or post below. Open the box. All right, so I'll give you a peek. Here's one side. So when you get the new consultant kit, even this is your standard kit. The box is the standard kit. Everything that's in the pink box. So you get the Legend spray, which is our men's spray, which smells awesome. It smells like like citrusy, woodsy. It's awesome. All of our men's products have pheromones in them. Hey Paige, hey Greg, hey Priscilla. It's our Serenity Massage Lotion. This is our Basic Instinct, a mini version of it and a roll-on. Our Truly Sexy Flirt, which is incredible. So these are both pheromone perfumes. The Basic Instinct accentuates your own natural scent. And shout out to your boy George, Greg, you're so funny. Hey Mariette. And then the Truly Sexy Flirt is like a sweet citrus. It has grapefruit scent to it, which makes you appear 7 to 10 years younger. So really, really awesome products to have. Hey Megan, hey Tiffany. There is a travel size of our Bosom Buddy and Pina Colada, which who doesn't like pina coladas? And it makes your lips tingle and plumps your lips. It's awesome. Chapstick, and it's awesome stuff. So, and then the bottom is our Miracle Oil, which if you're a mom or accident prone like I am, you definitely need it because it has all kinds of awesome stuff in it, like tea tree oil and natural oils that help you heal and help with anything itchy or any, I don't know if the light's better or worse, I don't know. So, it also comes with a travel size of our awesome Coochie Shave Cream and Love Story, which is our most popular scent, which is an amber and vanilla scent. Body Dew, which is great for dry skin and tattoos. You get that as well. Kiss Body Spray and Love Story, also amber and vanilla. Body Boost, which has caffeine and amino acids in it. Firms, tones, and tightens. So if you're loving what you're seeing, post some hearts and love below. All right. You feel free to share it with your friends. Hey Molly, hey Megan, hey Tiffany. You also get our awesome new Koko Glow. So this is a brand new item. All things pink, all things new. So if you've not tried Body Boost, that's this white one before I talk about Koko Glow. It has caffeine and amino acids in it that firm, tone, and tighten. So if you have wrinkles, cellulite, loose skin, you're going to love the Body Boost. So Koko Glow is brand new. It has been on back order. If you're in my VIP group, I have a special product testing special going on right now. So I will open this up to everybody who's watching live or watches the replay. So post one below if you're watching live, and then post below where you are watching from, because I'd love to see who gets on and watches live. Hey Angie, hey Molly, hey Cheyenne. And then post it too if you watch the replay. So Koko Glow is our new sunless tanner. And it's like a gradual sunless tanner. So you put it on like lotion and it gives you gradual color and it builds. So we have a light to medium and medium to dark. But this is your fake tan, your fake and bake without the bake, okay? So, which is great because you don't want to be on the sun. It causes awful stuff like cancer and all kinds of things you don't want. So this gives you a nice glow without being orangey or some weird color or streaking. It's an awesome product. And I've gotten awesome feedback on it, and it doesn't have any weird smell to it either. It smells really good. So just very lightly scented. So that is our new Koko Glow. If you'd like to be a product tester for this is the travel size of it, but you get the full size bottle. Normally it's $28, and you will get it if you're in my product tester group for $20 plus $2 shipping, which is reduced shipping, and tax comes to $24 and change. So if you want to do that, let me know. You can get on it. So lastly in this section is our Flirt Afterglow. And Afterglow is a light shimmer. This is, I like to call it classy glitter instead of stripper glitter, but it is great for the cleavage, your shoulders, arms, whatever. So it's awesome stuff. So that is our Flirt Afterglow. And then over here, hey Jennifer. Jennifer, I'm so excited to see you're moving back from Virginia to Florida. I mean, you seem excited about it, so I hope to see you when you move back. And then over here, this is fun. This is your Valentine's Day helpers right here, all year helpers. This is our Just Like Me water-based lubricant, my most popular lube and original. So it's non-flavored, it's pH balanced, it's water-based, condom and toy compatible. All right, awesome stuff, and it re-wets the water-based lube. The next one is our Sensations and Cotton Candy, which is delicious, and it's a heating edible lubricant. So you rub, and it heats up, it gets hot, and then you can lick it. It's penis and vagina friendly, but you don't want to use these two edible lubes because they're oil-based on condoms. So if you use condoms, don't use the edible lube on the condoms, but they're great for foreplay. That's what they're made for. So Sensations, also if you blow on it hot, like a hot, sexy blow, like a it gets hot too. So super yum. And that in the kit, it comes as cotton candy. But if you like the idea of that, it also comes in blue Hawaiian, which tastes delicious. And the cotton candy, like the one in here, as well as caramel sundae. So if you want some of that, let me know. And then we have our whipped cream edible lubricant, which is awesome because you can massage with it. It's penis and vagina friendly. So you can go from rubbing and sucking to licking, and you know what comes next that rhymes with it, all right? Yeah. So any of those things, this can go on your toys. It's the best thing to use on sleeves and C-rings on him because it stays wet. It's an emollient lubricant, so it stays on the skin. And it tastes very, very good. So we have a new one out. This is the vanilla cupcake that comes in the kit. But right now we have a new one out called Birthday Cake. And it is amazing. So it tastes so good. We also have berry creme brulee, rainbow sherbet. It tastes like purple Skittles. So all types of yum stuff. And last but not least is Great Head. And it's in our luscious lemonade flavor. And Great Head helps relax the throat to give a better blowjob, so you can get more of them down your throat. So thumbs up to that if you're a guy watching, because you probably very much approve this message. But Great Head is awesome. Not only does it come in luscious lemonade, but raspberry rosé or tropical punch. But it is an awesome product that turns your man into a lollipop for you, and flavored, and helps relax the throat. So this is part 1 of the kit. This part of the box, okay? You also get, hey Christy, catalogs, a whole pack of catalogs. So post, show me more, or more hearts, if you want to see what's in the second half of the box, because then it really gets good. Oops, all right, let's put this on the floor. Say, show me more, show me more. So when people tell me that they can't do what I do, that I'm good at what I do. Yes, I am good at what I do, but I can make you good too. And I make it really easy that anybody can do this, because look, it comes with a cue card. Oops, I'm showing you the toys. You're not supposed to see that on Facebook Live. It comes with a card that tells you exactly what to say and talk about at your parties. Hey, Cammie. So how amazing is that? You're not supposed to see the toys. So this is our party guide. It also tells you a game to do on the other side and how to do your party from beginning to end. Cake walk, okay? Also gives you the key to our comp plan and breaks it down for you how to make all the money. All right, step by step. Really, really easy. You can earn $600 in free product your first 60 days in business. Hey, Missy. Hey, Joshua. All right, you also get your Square credit card reader with your kit. Comes right in your kit, so you can take credit cards right from the get-go as soon as you get your box. You can actually do it before you get your box, but awesome that it comes with the readers now, which is really great. And we have discounted processing through Square. We have a special program with them. Here's the catalogs. Awesome message from our CEO. That comes in your kit. All right, who wants to see the second part of the box? Say, show me the box. Let me see more. Show me more. Give me some love. I'll show you what's in the box. All right. All right, so part of it I can't show you because it's not appropriate for Facebook Live. So if you want to see it, say add me and I'll add you to my VIP group, and I will post a picture there of the toys that are missing from here. But you can probably take a guess if you've been to one of my parties. So Home Alone's been redone. It's now called Opening Act, and that goes here, which is an awesome 30 patterns of the way that it vibrates, rechargeable toy that comes in this kit. This is a C-ring called Rendezvous, and down here is the place where the little battery pack goes to it, and then the corded bullet that goes in it goes here. So you get a rendezvous, you get a hand jive for all your gentlemen friends. It is blue. It is awesome. So this can be his solo or you can use it together, okay? And it's what's great about it is that it's open on both ends. So, and I give some key tips on how to use this. So if you want the key tips, let me know and I will send you a YouTube video. You can PM me for that. So this is our hand jive, which is the remake of our Playmate, or in the past, if you're a past Passion Parties person and your sleeve is really old, it was Mimi or Gigi. So hand jive is what you want. This is 2018 blue. All right. So it stays manly with you. All right. And then last but not least is our hot heart, which if you don't have a hot heart, you definitely need a hot heart in your life. So these are reusable heat packs. They're like reusable hot stones that you can use for massage. It's also great for cramps and sore muscles and headaches. And it's amazing. So you get all that. What I just showed you, both boxes fit in that pink box, $199. What? When you become a consultant, you make 30% of everything you sell for the first $1,000 that you sell, and you make 35% once you're over 1,000 and 40% once you're over 2,000. Amazing. So if you want to make more money in 2018, take that income tax check and buy yourself a Pure Romance kit. Or if you want a lot of fun for Valentine's Day and beyond, private message me for this and more, and I can send you a flip book link. Post below, show me your flip book. Let me see your book, girl. And show me your book. I want to see all the things. Post something awesome below, and I will send you a link to the catalog so you can look at it in the privacy of your home or with your lover, and you can flip through it, pick out your goodies, and I will have an awesome sale just for you. So this end of the book collection are awesome, luxurious, heats up to 104 degrees, exclusive to Pure Romance. Best products on the market are Euphoria collection. This from Here and Beyond. If you've been looking at these products and been like, they're so expensive, but they look amazing, and I will tell you they are amazing. They are like change your life amazing. They heat up like the C80 or the V39. I can't show on Facebook Live, but I will show you in my VIP group. Hey Mary, hey Bree, hey Stacy. And if you want some of these awesome Euphoria pajamas, because every girl needs them and they're bamboo and they're incredible and you want them, be sure you let me know that you want in my VIP group because they're on sale. You got to order by Thursday in order to get it. Be sure you order in the next couple days so I can do my best to ensure that you get your goodies by Valentine's Day. And yeah, so there's that. If you want to upgrade your kit when you become a consultant, you can do the deluxe. And it also adds to you our amazing main attraction, which is my best-selling dual action toy. It's incredible. It's got the tongue of your mother effing dreams with this one. You also get the Kaya, which is the rabbit without the rest of the rabbit. All right. And you get the Premier, which slides on your finger. And it is an awesome clitoral stimulator or whatever stimulator. It's got 10 patterns of the way that it vibrates and rechargeable. Hey, Kyle. And then you also get our awesome double feature C-ring, which if you've ever imagined turning your man into your very own vibrator, or he doesn't last as long as he thinks he does, or you want to keep him harder, stronger, longer, this is my best-selling C-ring. So that is our double feature. You get all that in the deluxe kit, and right now, this month only, in the month of February, you get this plus everything in the pink box for $399. And there's also an awesome kit sale going on the Deluxe Plus, but there's so much stuff in that kit, I can't show you in Facebook Live. So, I'm done. I'm out. I hope you guys have an awesome Tuesday. I hope you have an awesome Valentine's Day. Tomorrow is my 9-year wedding anniversary, so we're having date night. I'm so excited. We've worked a lot so far in 2018 between the two of us, so I'm really excited to have a date night with my man and celebrate 9 years of being married. And anybody that's married knows that is an accomplishment because marriage is hard work, y'all, but they're a lot easier with Pure Romance products. So I hope to hear from y'all for your Valentine's goodies and possibly you joining my team. So have a great week, and I hope to help you get prepared for Valentine's Day. And if not before Valentine's Day, definitely let's book a girls' night or brunch or a girls' day so you can get hooked up from the flow up with some awesome products. Okay, y'all? Hey, Jean Ann and Rena, you guys have a great... Jean Ann, I can't wait to go on the Mediterranean cruise with you. We're going to have so much fun. All right, y'all, I'm out. Peace out.